The emergence of the World Wide Web in the 90s not only changed the way the world communicates, it also switched business models throughout all industries. When the internet took over, it also sent the banking industry scrambling, trying to find the next biggest thing in technology, internet banking. Ray Carroll, Chief Technology Officer with the West Alabama Bank and Trust, says he knew internet banking would be big even back in the late 90s. And while his bank is a rural bank, they still try to keep up with the latest technologies.
Well, we keep up with technology through, publications and vendors and technology magazines and what other banks are doing, and financial meetings with other banks and, bankers associations and that kind of thing. And it was obvious even back that far that internet banking was going to become a viable product for consumers and also businesses at that time.
The West Alabama Bank and Trust began their internet banking operation in December 1999 and have seen a steady increase in their customers moving to their internet operation since. Now, any customer who signs up for an account will automatically be signed up for internet banking. Carroll says that with just a click of a mouse, customers can conduct account inquiries and money transfers, pay on their loans, look at their statement, and even pay their bills. Carroll says that since the introduction of internet banking, the new technology has changed the bank's entire way of conducting business.
We've seen a big decline in customers calling the bank, to ask questions such as, what is my current balance? What is the last check that's cleared? Can you send me a copy of my last check? Or can you send me a statement that maybe I have lost or something like that? Or can you tell me if this check has been paid? That kind of thing. All that information is out there for them to look at. Their checks they can simply click on the check number that they're looking at on their statement, and the image of that check will pop up on their computer at home. They can look at it right there. So it's cut out a lot of calls coming into the bank. That makes it a lot more convenient for the customer to be able to do that at home.
Soon, customers may not even have to leave their homes to conduct banking transactions with the banking industry's newest technology, Remote Deposit. Remote Deposit is a device that attaches to your computer and scans the front and backs of the checks you wish to deposit into your account. Carroll says the device is currently for business customers, but there are some plans to expand the operation to the consumer market in the future. If you're a consumer and don't want to wait on remote deposit, there are still other options if you don't want to leave your home to conduct banking transactions. Online bank companies have also emerged in the past few years. Todd Sandler with ING Direct, a leading online bank, says they pass their savings on operational costs to their customers through high annual percentage yields on their checking and savings products.
Because we don't have the overhead associated with traditional brick-and-mortar banks, and because we have the technology to enable us to run a $70 billion franchise through the direct channel, we can pass these savings on to our customers, giving them great rates.
Sandler says their current APYs start at 4% depending on the product. ING Direct tries to keep up with the latest technologies, he says, while also trying to be an industry leader with new innovations. Sandler says customers can now log into their account over their cell phone's web browser and have account access in seconds. He says that while they are primarily an internet operation, they are still there to help their customers by phone or internet 7 days a week, 365 days a year. For a full review of ING Direct and a list of some competitors in the internet banking industry, log on to our website at apr.org, click on the news page, and look for the Alabama Business Report logo. Next month on the Alabama Business Report, I'll show you ways to save money on your residential and wireless phone bills. For Alabama Public Radio, I'm Adam Shivers.